Okay, being a Scrum Master, how do we get experience in project financing and budgeting and other project management areas to grow in project management space? Very interesting question, very practical question in my view, because many of my clients whom I'm connected with because of various programs and all are also going through some of the similar situation. So if I understand and based on their situation, I'm speaking that they have been doing leading job for a while, managing teams and working with them, facilitating various events and facilitating the whole development process. Now when they go for higher role, especially in the IT service organization, in the IT service organizations, many times the role of a scrum master get expanded or extended. So the person who is doing a scrum master role also end up playing some additional role. So I'm not saying that that part is a part of a scrum master role. The person end up doing additional things. And those additional things many times related to project management, many times related to costing, many times related to billing, many times related to stakeholder management and all those kind of stuff. So those things get added and you may need to produce bills and everything else. In my understanding, to get a theoretical comprehensive understanding of project management, and especially when you already have 3+ years of scrum master experience because you have been leading and facilitating teams, doing project management certification PMP is a good idea, because in the PMP certification you start understanding that aspect of doing program management, project management, where you are focusing on, say, costing, you are focusing on stakeholder specific reportings, stakeholder oriented benefit management, stakeholder oriented risk management, and handling various procurement and invoicing space, that understanding when to raise invoice, what kind of a completion criteria I need to submit to, if I am outsourcing myself, how do I deal with those particular vendors. So sometimes you are a vendor, sometimes you are hiring a vendor. So those aspects which in general we may not work on a day-to-day basis when we are working as a team leader or a team scrum master role, but those things may get start added when you start working on a project management plus scrum master role. Yeah, so that's what I'm distinguishing myself. So doing PMP certification in my view is a good idea to start with. Now if you don't want to do a certification, which is also fairly okay, you can study that part of it. So you can study the various knowledge areas of project management. You can pick up any book which is based on PMBOK 6, because that is where you can find most comprehensive latest information. PMBOK 7 is not that complete enough for explaining those ideas, so it has to rely back on PMBOK 6 only. So you can pick up PMBOK 6 itself, or you can pick up some material which is based on PMBOK 6. It's a good starting point for learning various aspects of project management. Doing certification is definitely a good idea because it gives you a target, it gives you a smart objective for completing your learning. Yeah, so that's something I can say. We have a question. So how about if you get trained for PMP to acquire acquaintance and the process with the process and knowledge area rather than going for certification in its initial phase? It's a great idea. One can do that. Yeah, so you can say, I just want to understand the whole gambit of it, and then I will decide, do I want to prove myself with the help of certification and pay extra money? So you can say the training alone is an expense of time and money, and then certification is another around $550 of investment of money and then investment of time as well, because when you prepare for certification you end up doing practice tests and all those things. So yeah, definitely one can, who is an explorer as of now in the project management space, can definitely just go for a training and decide what he or she wants to do afterwards. Yeah, so that's a perfect idea. The only thing I want to mention here is that the having certification done brings a credibility. That's what our client have been telling us. Make the recruiter see you seriously as a project manager. Your stakeholder, your counterpart starts like appreciating your project management skill, because they find that some credibility behind your knowledge and skills because of that certification. So if you see that there is not yet a need for that credibility, my initiative of learning project management is purely knowledge based initiative. then one can just read the book or attend the training and make some use of that knowledge. Yeah.